Now let's get ready for business. Say hello to Allie from Anamosa, Iowa. Allie is majoring in Accounting and Management Information Systems as part of the University of Northern Iowa's College of Business, which is consistently named a best business school by the Princeton Review. Over to you, Allie.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. When I started looking at colleges, I only knew one thing, that I wanted to go somewhere that had a good business school. UNI not only gave me that, but also gave me the opportunity to explore specifically what I wanted to do with a business degree. UNI has leading programs in education, arts and design, health, and STEM, and most importantly to me, business. Being an accounting major, the most important exam is the CPA, which stands for Certified Public Accounting Exam. With a 28% national pass rate, this is no easy exam. Luckily for me, year in and year out, UNI is in the top 10 among all schools nationwide for passing the entire exam. And I think one of the reasons UNI students are so successful is the professors who make teaching and our success their #1 priority. Business is all about making connections, and I love that UNI makes that possible with a wide range of people from all different backgrounds. From caring professors to the large alumni base that UNI has, I know that I will leave UNI prepared for life after college. When I need guidance, I can always turn the corner and there will be someone eager to help me on my journey. Whatever major you choose at UNI, you won't just learn about it from a textbook. You'll get hands-on experience to prepare you to actually do it. And UNI classwork is always adapting with the times. Employers are always excited to hire UNI grads because they know we'll be prepared because we've done the real-life work. That's all from me. Back to you, Alex.
You're right, Allie. Companies and firms across the country know about UNI's stellar reputation for producing business leaders. Just like so many other programs at Northern Iowa, the College of Business is nationally ranked and boasts a strong alumni network looking to hire fellow Panthers. Nice job, Allie.